Don't believe all that hype that you could earn $20 an hour being an Uber driver, because you could actually earn more. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. And that's right, we're going to be talking about how much can you actually make being an Uber driver. Now, the average typical Uber driver actually averages in all markets across the US between 15 and 20 an hour. But in several markets, the average earnings for an Uber driver actually goes much higher. And those people who are taking advantage of the really good tips, especially here what you find on the RideShare Guy. So make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Go ahead, do it. Click that red little button there and make it black. Okay, cool, awesome. All right, let's get going. That's right, you could potentially earn 25, 30, 35 an hour consistently. Even some drivers are averaging $50 an hour in certain markets. A very own RideShare Guy contributor, mostly on the blog side, but also part of the Show Me the Money Club when it comes to Sergio and myself live on Tuesdays. Sergio actually averages consistently $50 an hour. Now, he's based in the LA market, and yeah, that is true. It is only top 1% are going to be making that on a consistent basis. But the thing is, you could potentially do that if you know what you're doing and are in the right market. But what happens if you're not in the right market? How much could you actually make? Well, the biggest thing is it's going to depend on your area, your market. How busy is it? How populated is it? If you're in a rural area, you're not going to make any money doing this. In fact, you probably will average less than that 15 an hour because you have so much time in between people. You probably have so much distance, and there's not a lot of people who are probably looking for rides. Rural areas, not going to be a great place to go. So for those in rural areas, I would drive to the city if you want to become an Uber driver, because that's where people are going to be. That's where events are going on. That's where people are looking for rides, as there's a lot more people. So if you want to make money, you got to go towards where it's populated, where people are looking for rides. Demand is always key when it comes to going out and making money. If nobody's around to order a ride, you're not going to make any money. Now, you don't need to be in a major city to actually go out and make more money than the average 15 to 20 that they say. In fact, some markets average much higher. My market is Buffalo, New York. So I'm in that area, and the average Uber driver in Buffalo, New York averages $28 to $31 an hour. So you can see it's well above the 15 to 20 an hour that is national. Now, another big thing that you could do to help you earn more is knowing the market that you're going to drive in. So you need to know when it's busy, when it's slow, what events are going on, and how it actually is good for your schedule, how it's going to fit. So you're not free and able to drive when it's dead slow and there's no real demand. But you want to be able to be free when there's a lot of demand and you're just going back to back to back when it comes to rides. And that means you're earning more. Another tip is don't always take every ride that comes to you, because some of them aren't worth it. And when you don't take the ones that aren't worth it, another ride is going to come in very soon after that, and it probably will be worth it. But the best tip when it comes to trying to earn more than the average of 15 to 20 an hour is make sure you take advantage of any of the promotions that are going on. So if they give you something like drive X amount of rides and earn X amount of dollars extra, like a promotional quest, take advantage of it. If they offer some sort of streak bonus during the times that you're going to drive, take advantage of those. Only go out when they're offering certain promotions, because it's going to help you make more money. And if you want more tips when it comes to driving to earn more and maximize your income, check out this video right here next. And also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, do so. I told you earlier, why didn't you? All right, we'll see you in the next one.